I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
I had switched it off. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just throw them down. Don't mind. They are done. Yeah. These are the ones that I was waiting for. And there are a lot. They're done washing, so I have to go and hang outside. It's at night. So these are the clothes that I was doing today, Friday. Yeah. And these are the uniform, the truck, some few clothes. Yeah. So let's hang the clothes now. Okay guys, we are done doing the laundry. Yeah, we have done the cleaning. We have done the cleaning in the we're doing the cleaning in the kitchen. Yeah, I've done some to movement. I've moved some of the things. Yeah, since I shifted to guys, we have come to the end of never did like a general cleaning in my kitchen, so, and as you know, the kitchen needs to be done. Yeah. I think general cleaning is it's every day. The last impact because once you stay for long, I think I'm just drawing cockroaches. Yeah. The remaining ones, because cockroaches always starts from the kitchen because of staying, and thanks for watching. So we have done our thanks laundry for those who have so all the uniforms just subscribe. Thank you so much. Them. And these are the uniforms for 3 kids. For those who have already subscribed, so thank you. And can continue watching and share and like. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. So so this is our new video. So and they drive. See you in the next video. Thank you. I was doing the washing with the machine, and it is have dried a bit. Yeah, so by tomorrow morning or midday they'll be dry. Socks for the week. Now we don't have where to hang now. You just have to squeeze where I can see there is a space. I hope you've liked my video. I was doing today we are not doing the video for cooking, so today we are cleaning. I think you'll be seeing much of this cleaning things. You see how I live with my 4 kids. 3 they go to school, and then the older sister, she's in boarding. Right now she's not around. In fact, she's the one who likes taking my videos. So at the moment I'm with the boys and 1 girl. And I think you'll be able to see more videos of me and my kids, how I live with my kids, because their father is not around. So I'm the mother, I'm the father. I hope you'll be liking our videos. Kindly like and share, and hit that subscription button so that when I upload the video, you'll be the first one to be notified. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much. So we did the cleaning in the kitchen. We did some moving. At least I've moved some things, cleaning. Sorry about that. So this is how the kitchen looks after the cleaning. That's my outside, the kitchen door. So that's where I've hung. I stay ground floor. I used to stay first floor. Now I'm ground floor. So this is the door for the kitchen.